What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video. Today I got a few deals for you. First up, I was confused by this. Greenworks. We talked about them before now. Greenworks sent me an email. Was like, hey, can you mention this on your channel? Can I? Because did you send this to me to try out, to look at, to touch in my hand, to see if it turns on and turns off? It actually does the job that it say it's going to do? You did it? Well, I mentioned it though because they did give me a 30% off coupon code to give y'all. So, I mean, if you interested in this, I can't say nothing. I don't know anything about it. Greenworks, they feel as though I should just mention the stuff because they asked me. I'm like a fool doing it right now, but only for y'all benefit. So there it is, and yeah, I'll leave the 30% coupon code in the description. But I feel real disrespected right now. And if you're wondering, yes, Greenworks owns PowerWorks. Anyway, moving on. Xtool, see, they at least send me the thing to try out. I don't have the 8020, but I have some of their other OBD2 scan tools, and I love them. Even Scotty Kilmer. This is the only reason why I even accepted the thing from them in the first place last year, because Scotty Kilmer did a little review on their X tools. He uses Alltail and X tools, so I think he still mainly uses Alltail because I'm not sure which version of the X tool they sent him, but he loved it, and I love it too. So right now, this is on a lightning deal. It's only going to be good for like 2 days, and I also have a coupon code for this. It'll bring it down to $14.99. So there you go with that as well. Now this OBD2 scan tool, because I saw somebody in the group saying that they wanted one, but it sounds like they're also like a professional mechanic. Don't get this one. You want one that'll at least be bi-directional. If you want an X tool, I'll say get the D7 or something like that. D7, the D8 or D9 X tool. Those will be more comprehensive. Or you can get the A30M, which is usually like $100-something. But you got to use your phone or a tablet or something like that, and that could be kind of annoying. But if you want to use it every day, it'll always be updated. So anyway, there you go with that. Coupon code is in the description. Now, why am I showing y'all a lamp? No particular reason. I just wanted to say I bought this last week and got this. Yeah, like the box came and I was like, and they, wrapped it up with Klein tape. And I said, man, Home Depot don't like Klein at all. They try and get rid of their tape and everything. And I giggled and I just set it off to the side. And then, I went to go open it up so I can install the light fixture. And it's a whole cooler. Klein Tools cooler. Who knew that Klein made coolers? First of all, I didn't know. And yeah, I have one now. So I reached out to Home Depot. Was like, yo, I didn't exactly get a light fixture. I got a cooler. And they was like, oh, don't worry about it. They just refunded me and let me keep the cooler. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So you might get lucky and Home Depot just might send you some Klein thing if you order a light fixture. Anyway, moving on. Over at Lowe's, we have something you don't need to touch. We got Cobalt hand tools. And look, if you like stripping bolts, be my guest. Okay? Maybe they make better hand tools now, but I will not chance it. The last time I bought something Cobalt was in 2019. The last time I got a hand tool and it broke. It was a torque wrench that broke twice in a year. And I just was done. Like it just shattered. Poof. Look, don't do it. And I've had Cobalt tools before and they strip bolts. Nah. Now, their power tools, different because that's a Sherwin product. But I believe it's Sherwin. Sherwin makes Cobalt. Yeah, I'm positive. Pretty positive. Pretty sure of that. But not their hand tools, y'all. But I did see one little thing that I would consider for $20, and that's this non-contact infrared thermometer. I would do that for $19.98. That's half off, so I wanted to show you guys that there. Moving on to Toolbarn. They have some deals. And before I show you the deals specifically, I just want to remind you that they do have Rakuten, 2% cash back. And if you use the link in the description to sign up, you'll get $30 bonus in addition to the 2% when you spend $30. And they have coupon codes, so $50 off $1,000, $5 off $125, and $10 off of $250. I thought it was one for $200 too. No, I was tripping. It's $250. But here's a really good deal. Milwaukee over at Toolbarn. If you buy a grinder or a circular saw, but a metal cutting circular saw, or this die grinder, you get a free 5 amp hour battery, which is or you get a fuel 18 volt drill. It's not a hammer drill, but you get to choose from a drill. See right up here. So I like that, because if you was just looking for something simple, down and dirty, you didn't care about the brake on it, you can spend $199, get the angle grinder and this drill. Great deal right there. Plus you have your Rakuten, plus you have your coupon code, plus you have your barn bucks. Man, it don't get no better than that. So I'll leave a link to this page right here. Now I just want to make you aware, the ones for $249, you might be looking like, oh, it's the same. Well, one is a paddle, one is a switch, and then over here you may be looking like, oh, these are the same. But you see the paddle is black on this one, the paddle is red. This one has a brake, so when you let it go, it stops, and this one just like, okay. So I have done a side-by-side comparison of a lot of angle grinders. Just talking about their features, ergonomics, braking, and all that. I didn't use them to do anything. There's plenty of videos out there like that, but mine focus on the ergonomics and stuff. And so I'll try to link that, if I remember, in the upper right-hand corner, because I was supposed to link a video the other day and forgot. Or it'll be in the description. Moving on. So Jay posted this ryobi deal at Home Depot. Let me show you guys that. So if you go and look at this, pull this up, 2 6 amp hour batteries, high output, high performance rather, on the BOGO. And ironically, the BOGO is a boo-boo 2 amp hour pack, low performance. Okay, so when you add that to the cart as well, it makes the 6 amp hour batteries $89.52 for the couple, and that's a good deal right there. So thank you, Jay, for that. And then Christian posted this deal. This is a really good one too, on this M12 Surge impact driver, but it's a kit, so you get 2 amp hour batteries, the impact driver, the bag, the charger, and all that. Then it's on a BOGO. You add the BOGO. The BOGO is a bunch of different tools. Obviously, usually when you add the most expensive tool, which in this case is the ratchet, it'll itemize and make this the cheapest. Sometimes it doesn't, though. It gets weird sometimes. But in this case, you add the ratchet, it makes this $97, and the ratchet $81.31. Honestly, not a bad deal to just keep them both for the $179. But you know, you do have the option to keep one or not. And then moving on, the last deal for the day, because I'm tired, we have this Milwaukee M18 Surge. Now I showed this to you guys over at eBay at Tools Direct. It was like $60. I'm positive they're all gone now. But here you can add the battery, comes with the battery, and then it'll itemize both out to be this 106.57 and then 62.43. Not a smoking hot deal, but also not a bad one considering this is an M18 Surge. So there you go. Oh, hold your horses. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Direct Tools is having a 40% off, even though it says 44% off. Back to school sale. And look, they got Hot. Hot is in the building. All right, so you have some decent deals over here. You got a little 6-inch bar clamp for $5.49. You got some gloves. That inflator and deflator, nah. Tool tote, $19. You have your little level for $6.99. You have some pry bars, really cheap pry bars, $7.49, $9.99. Don't forget that this is going to come with $15 shipping, so don't come over here and just buy one thing. But got yourself a pool saw for $11.99. I would check Direct Tools out today. They have some pretty decent deals, especially since Hart is in the building now. So I wanted to show you guys that. And now that is the end of today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Buy some merch because I'm paying $30-something a month for this website and ain't nobody bought a thing.